In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set working hours on Slack, so you can control when notifications come through and protect your focus outside of work hours. This is one of the most useful Slack features if you want better work-life balance, fewer distractions, and clearer communication with your team. Whether you're working remotely, in different time zones, or just want Slack to respect your schedule, this quick setup makes a huge difference. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your desktop or web browser, and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to set your working hours. Once Slack is open, go to any channel or your personal space within Slack. This step just ensures you're fully inside the app and able to access your personal notification settings. Next, look at the top right corner of the Slack window. You'll see the Notifications or Profile Related button there. Click on that notification button to open your notification options. This is where Slack allows you to control when and how you receive alerts for messages, mentions, and updates. From the menu that opens, click on the option that says Edit Default Preferences. This will take you directly into Slack's notification settings panel. These settings apply across your workspace and help define how Slack behaves during and outside your working hours. Now, this is the most important part. Inside the notification preferences, look for the section that lets you set your notification schedule. Here, you can define your working hours by selecting the days of the week you work and the exact start and end times for each day. For example, you can set Slack to notify you only from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. Once you set these hours, Slack will automatically pause notifications outside of your scheduled work time. That means after your workday ends, you won't get message alerts, pings, or interruptions unless you manually check Slack. This is perfect for avoiding burnout and keeping your personal time distraction-free. After adjusting your schedule, make sure everything looks correct and that your time zone is accurate. Slack uses your time zone to determine when notifications should be active, so this step is important, especially if you travel or work with global teams. Once you're happy with the settings, you can simply close the Preferences window. Your working hours are now saved automatically. From this point on, Slack will respect your schedule and only send notifications during your defined work hours. And that's it. You've successfully set working hours on Slack and taken control of when you receive notifications. This small change can make a big difference in productivity and work-life balance. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.